Hey, so in this video, we're going to talk about Helium-10 price and pricing in Canada. And I'm going to help you save big also on Helium-10. Click on the link down in the description. The first link, you're going to find the best discounts and coupon codes for Helium-10, as well as a free account and free trial. Now, today we're going to convert the dollar USD to CAD, to Canadian dollars, so you can understand in Canada what's the price for you for Helium-10. And also, I want to tell you that there is a nice Helium-10 tutorials playlist in the description with over 230 videos and over 3,600 views to that playlist. Check out the playlist, and you have different videos that will show you how to make the most out of different tools of Helium-10. You can also use my channel. Click on my channel. It's going to be linked in the description. Vova Evan, great to meet you. Seller on Amazon, vovaevan.com. Been selling there since 2016, still actively selling on Amazon. And here, if you type on kind of near the magnifying glass Helium-10, you're going to find all different tutorials I have for you also for Helium-10. You can use my playlist, or you can use my channel to search. And of course, the best discounts are in the description as well. So let's start. We have different plans: starter, platinum, or diamond. Generally, I believe that platinum or diamond are the best for sellers. Myself, I'm on the diamond plan, but I've been using Helium-10 for quite a long time, since 2017. And I believe that for beginners, you can start from starter or platinum, but kind of platinum is the most popular. Now let's convert their USD value to CAD so you can understand how much it is for you there in Canada. By the way, I've traveled to Vancouver. I've been to Montreal. It's been beautiful. It's been summer of 2023. It was really good. I get to meet a lot of Amazon sellers, and it was really nice. So I truly enjoyed it. So okay, let's start. So starter is usually $39 a month, platinum is $99 a month, and $279 for diamond in US dollars. Let's convert it to Canadian dollars. Okay, so let's start with 39. For the starter, it's going to be about 53 Canadian, okay, 53, 54. For the platinum, it's going to be about 136 Canadian per month. For the diamond, it's going to be about 385 Canadian per month. Okay, so that's without any discounts, without anything, just the pure price of Helium-10 without any discounts. I recommend you applying the discounts. So the first one is VOVA10. Again, you can access the discounts by clicking on the link in the description. Get a free account, free trial as well. That's an affiliate link. Means that if you ever do business with Helium-10, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way, you can support my free content. And in this way, I'll be able to have no paywalls for you and enjoy. So we have the YouTube channel for you. We have also vovaevan.com, my blog with over 500 posts for you. You can also use the search here. So we have a lot of content for you. So enjoy. So with the VOVA10 discount or coupon code, promo code, whatever you call it, helps you save 10% off on all those plans. So instead of paying 39 for starter, you pay 36 and etc. So let's say for the starter is going to be, instead of 39, it's going to be 36. Instead of, it's going to be 49 Canadian. It's going to be 90 for the platinum, which is 124 Canadian for the platinum with a discount, and 252, which is 348 Canadian per month for the diamond plan. So there's a bit of savings with this code. Okay, so that's the first code that you can apply. The second code that is also usable, I don't really recommend it that much long term. It's VOVA6M20. That's 20% off for 6 months. Saves you a bit more money upfront, but then you have to pay the full price. So VOVA10, in my opinion, is better long term, and also VOVA6M20 doesn't work with a starter. But let's see how much then the platinum is for you in Canadian. So it's going to be $80 US. So it's going to be for the platinum with the second code 110 Canadian per month, and 224 US for the diamond plan. That's going to be 309 Canadian for the diamond. Again, I recommend you the code VOVA10 because, again, long term it saves you more money, so it's going to be forever working for you. Yeah, so I do recommend you this one. Another option to save big is using the annual pricing. Now, what does it mean? If you click here on the left, okay, by the way, this is the pricing page. You also have a link to it in the description if you want to follow along, if you want to see different tools that are available and, you know, what each kind of plan can give you. Okay, so you have it here. You can click on these drop-down menus and see exactly what it gives you. But if you click on the see annual pricing, you're going to see the next thing. The prices drop here dramatically. What does it mean? You get 2 months for free if you use the annual pricing. So automatically, if you pay in one big chunk once per year, you write off 2 months. And if you use the discount, you write off another month. So instead of paying for 12, you're going to pay for 9 months, but kind of in one go. So let's see how much it saves you and how much it is beneficial for you. And by the way, those who pay yearly, I believe, are the next people, but correct me if I'm wrong. It might be those people that are looking to upgrade their Helium-10. They maybe are already a user and they're just looking to upgrade and want to pay in a big chunk and save more money. That's for you. Do it. I'm going to show you exactly how much you save in a second. Also, maybe it's for those who want to commit Okay, invest a bit more upfront. And then once you invest a bit more, you're probably not going to give up on that investment. And you're going to be working with Helium 10, searching for products and improving your business or starting your business. So think about that. But this way or another, let's kind of apply it to the different plans. So starter is usually $39 per month, right? So let's see the calculation. So it's 39x12, 468 US per year if you pay for the starter monthly without discount. Let's see how much is that in Canadian. That's 646 Canadian if you kind of pay every month for Helium 10 with a starter, and a year passes, life is good, you're enjoying life, making some money, hopefully, right? So you've ended up paying 646 Canadian. If, though, you take the code, link in the description, if you click on annual, it's going to be only 27 per month, okay? So let's do the calculation, 27 x 12 in one go, though. You're going to have to pay 324 US in one go. So instead of paying 646 Canadian in one go, you're going to pay only 447 Canadian in one go. So that's quite a big savings amount here, I believe. So that's pretty nice with a starter plan and the annual. Let's do the same for Platinum. Platinum is like 99x12. 99 is the usual price US. So that's the US amount per year if you're paying Platinum monthly. So 99, 99, 99. Or in case with the Canadian, it's going to be 1,641 Canadian if you end up paying like yearly for the Platinum. Nice, pretty good. You're kind of doing your stuff, living, life is good. You're paying, you're hopefully still using the tool, not quitting, right? Cool. So that's 1,641. What if we were to apply a discount? So that would be 72 then for Platinum with the discount and the annual pricing. Again, link in the description for the discount. So 72 x12. Oh, sorry. 72 x12. That's going to be only $864 US. So let's say instead of paying 1,641 Canadian, you are going to end up paying 1,193. So that's quite a lot of savings, but you have to pay it in one go. Okay, so you just pay it, invest it, and yeah, this way you have Helium 10 for a year with a big chunk of savings. So that's with the Platinum plan. With the biggest plan, Diamond, usually it's $279 per month. Okay, if you just pay $279 and you pay it for 12 months, life is good, same thing. So it's going to be for a whole year, 3,348 US. You're going to end up paying about 4,624 Canadian per year. Of course, monthly kind of payments in a whole year, it's going to be equivalent to 4,624. Of course, the Canadian to US might change. So I recommend you, of course, doing the calculations maybe for, whenever you're watching it. But this hopefully is going to give you some guidance. So that's if you're paying monthly. Yeah, that's going to be the full price for the Diamond. Now let's see if we use the discount, again, link in the description, and the 12-month kind of annual pricing. So we write off about 3 months. So let's see, it's going to be 207 a month then. So let's see, 207 a month x 12. That's $2,484. So instead of paying 4,624 Canadian, that's kind of for the Diamond. If you pay monthly, okay, so you will pay in one go $3,431. So a lot of savings if you pay in one go, and then then you're going to give build again in 1 year. Okay, so that's with the yearly plans. Again, the link to the discounts is in the description. Those codes are there. You can create a free account, free trial just to try out Helium 10. You have the list of tutorials. You have my channel as well. You can just search for Helium 10 and find all the best tutorials for you. So I would recommend, basically for most of the people, Platinum is going to be the best plan for you because you have product research with it, keyword research, listing optimization, kind of the most things you would need as a seller are in Platinum. Of course, Diamond is going to give you a bit more data, a bit more tools, but as a beginner seller, even Platinum is going to be enough for you. So if you're there in Canada, first, have a good day. Thank you for being Canadian and having this cool country. It was a pleasure visiting your country in last year. Hopefully, I'll go back. Get the best, hopefully, discounts in the description. Save big. You can kind of scroll through the video to see exactly how much you're saving. But again, I would go with a Platinum if you're a first-time user. Only if you need the Chrome extension and the course, Helium 10 Freedom Ticket that shows you how to sell on Amazon from A to Z, go with a starter. But Platinum is probably going to give you, not probably, it's going to give you kind of most of the Helium 10 tools that are needed to find a product, optimize your listing, optimize your keywords, everything pretty much. And Diamond is more for advanced users, maybe those who need all the tools of Helium 10. You can use it as well. Myself, I'm on the Diamond. Hope you enjoy All the best discounts are in the description of the tutorials. You can watch more. You can see how I compare. I have videos where I compare platinum with diamond or platinum with starter, so you can kind of see more in depth. I show you which tools are there. Search my channel. Enjoy. Save big. Let's go. All the discounts are in the description. Be well. Good luck. Thank you.